Hello, this is Giuseppe Conti. I am the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning. Just finished co-teaching a masterclass on influence and persuasion with Oxford professor Owen Derbyshire. And now we will be interviewing some of the participants to capture some of their learning. Let's start by listening to their key takeaways around influencing a difficult stakeholder at work.
So my first action would be actually to have one-on-one meetings with each of them to really understand what is it that motivates them, what are their interests in the topic at hand, because that way I can understand what are their pain points.
Getting in touch with those members, because I need to build connections, I need to create credibility on myself, and I need to get informations about what their real needs are.
So there is many tools I'll use even from tomorrow morning on. But I guess one of the most important and most powerful is really asking questions. And for me, this is something I used to do, and I will do from tomorrow morning on.
Showing the potential losses out of a certain decision, because that is terribly effective in conveying the message and influencing the audience, and could be used both in public presentations and into cold messages like mails and whatever.
Definitely the anchoring point of view. It's a tool, it's a way of influencing and to stay in the mind of everybody.